how to schedule an email in Outlook. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to schedule emails in Outlook. Alright, so let's begin. New Outlook is different. So in New Outlook, it's actually called Schedule Send. As you're not delaying the delivery, you're actually scheduling the email. So once your email is written, this little drop down menu next to the send button has scheduled send. The pop-up will bring up suggested dates and times for you, or you can click customize time to add your own. You then click send on the pop-out and it will schedule your email. However, New Outlook does not have an outbox, so the scheduled email will go to your drafts instead. And the good news is that in New Outlook, you don't need to have Outlook open for that scheduled email to send itself. So that's basically how you can schedule an email in Outlook. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.